conversation about my second delivery experience between two friends.
Congratulations, Mona, for baby boy.
Thank you so much.
How are you feeling after delivery?
I am better now.
How old is your baby?
He is 2 months old now.
How was your delivery experience this time?
Both good and bad.
Why bad?
When I was in 32 weeks pregnant, I made an appointment with another doctor and asked him if I could have normal delivery this time.
But why?
Because I had my first C-section delivery. So, I wanted normal delivery this time.
So, what did the doctor say?
The doctor told me that your first delivery was by C-section, so this time, also you will have C-section, because if the stitches of your uterus get opened, then no one will take your case here, and your child's life may also be in danger. That's why you should get a C-section.
This would be a very difficult situation for you.
You were right. When I heard this from the doctor, I started crying and asked my husband, "Why did you get my C-section done first?" I used to lose sleep. In the middle of the night. I spent a month and a half like this.
This is very sad.
I used to think day and night that, without any reason, I would have a C-section.
Normal delivery is possible after C-section. Didn't your doctor tell you?
The doctor told me that if something went wrong, the child's life could be in danger. That's why we don't want to take any risk.
That's why you got a C-section done.
Yes, but I never wanted to have a C-section.
Didn't your family members support you?
I knew that they would not take any risk regarding the child. Because at first, there was no danger to the child, and yet, they did nothing for me.
This means that even your family members didn't support you.
They went with me to the doctor of Ayurveda and went to the other doctors too.
This is a good thing.
Yes, but when my labor pain started, my husband didn't ask the doctor to wait for normal delivery. He also signed the paper of C-section.
Didn't your parents say no for a C-section?
I didn't call them.
You should have informed them.
I didn't want my in-laws to taunt my parents later that something wrong happened because of my parents. That's why I didn't call them.
Oh.
After being discharged from the hospital, I came to know that my cervix was 4 centimeters dilated when I was taken to the OT.
They had waited for some time. Normal delivery would have happened.
You were right. I started crying knowing that. Many women like me must have had C-section without any reason.
Many doctors do C-section for no reason, for some money.
The doctor who did my C-section told me at the time of operation that you have a weak uterus. Should I do your tubes tied together?
Have you got both tubes tied?
No. That doctor lied to me. Because both my pregnancies have been healthy, and if the doctor had given me enough time for normal delivery, I could have had a normal delivery.
Gynecologists are not to be trusted these days.
You were right, Lena. I have lost faith in the doctor.
Everything is fine now, isn't it?
Yeah, But, after 1 month of delivery, I again started having severe pain at the stitched area.
You should have gone to the same doctor again.
I went to the same doctor again. He again gave me the same injections, which are given after C-section.
How many injection did you get this time?
Around 40.
I am so sorry to hear that.
Despite all this, I am happy that God gave me my son.
If you like this video, so don't forget to like and share this video. Please press the bell icon and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching this video.